Good morning, how are you? Today is Monday, the 19th of January. I need to go to the shops. I need to get something. I have a list here that I made. So I want to buy toothpaste, foot cream, roll-on, washing up liquid, and bleach. Welcome to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel by me, Charles Okeke. I just don't know why my people, when I say my people, I'm talking about Nigerians here, why they are so obsessed with gay people. A few people have shared this to me. I saw it on Twitter as well and other social media channels. This guy is from Nigeria and he got married to an American, a gay man, and all the blogs are posting this everywhere. This is the same thing they do. They've done it with my videos. They've done it with other people. Why is it that you are so obsessed with gay people, with queer people? I don't understand this. I was just saying to my friend that shared this to me this morning, why do they care? It is 2026. People get married. Men get married to men. Women get married to women. It is nothing new. My problem here is that Nigeria has a bigger fish to fry. There is inequitable distribution of resources. People are suffering. Unemployment, corruption. There is so many things that you are supposed to be addressing. Those things are supposed to be trending. Every time, everything that is trending is about gay people. You're sleeping with man. We're going to deliver you. We're going to pray to God for you. You need to repent. What is the problem? I do not understand this for the life of me. Of course, I am happy for this man. It is good that he found love, but it is nothing new. People get married. Why is it trending? It's not because of it's even trending. It's the comments that you see in the video. Everyone is condemning him to hell. Like, what the hell is going on? It boggles the mind. You lot have to think about something else to worry about. Worry about all the things that I have mentioned. I do not know how much my videos have been shared until someone made me aware. If you go on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, they use my videos for traction. Because if you want to unite black people, say that a man is gay, because that's the worst thing you can ever be. Be a homosexual. All of you are freaking useless. You are all suffering from religious psychosis. Common sense. Take your frustrations to your leaders that are stealing your money. Okay, I was just listening to the news because a lot is going on in the world at the moment. I swear. Things are higgy and haga. I need to run into the shop. I need to run in there and get what I need to get quickly. I took my own shopping bag. So I took this shopping bag because I don't want to be doing higgy and haga with anybody. I don't want to be paying for shopping bag. I don't like doing that. That's why I always have my bag sometimes, but sometimes I do pay. Forget the sunshine. This sunshine is so deceptive. Forget that it's sunny. It is freaking cold. Extremely cold. Let's go to the shops because this is going to be interesting because I have so much. I have my tote bag and then I have a camera and then I'm trying to pick the baskets so I can put things in them and take them with me. It's going to be absolutely interesting. I want washing up liquid. I can't find the one that I'm looking for. I'm so confused. Okay, I found it. I'm getting this and I want bleach. Where is the bleach? There's no bleach here. I'm such a fool. The bleach was literally underneath where I was taking the washing up liquid from. That's the bleach I want. What else? All I need now is roll-on, foot cream and toothpaste. There's certain things sometimes that certain people do where you look at them, you'll be like, I do not understand. I just don't know. The way I parked my car here, there's enough space for him to open his car. So I got to my car to get into the car. So this man was in the car next on my left-hand side, a brown car. I didn't even notice that someone was in the car. He was there looking at me weirdly. Then I thought this weird man is about to drive off. What did he do? He did not drive off. He now was looking at me weirdly. Then he went to a shop shop and looked behind to look at me. I just don't want to say what I think this is. Now he's come out. I'm looking at him now. He's looking at me. He went and bought something there and he's standing somewhere eating something and he's staring at me. I don't know what it is because he looked at the car like, what is the problem? It's just so weird the way some people behave. He's looking at me now. That's his problem. I'm just going to show you what I got quickly. So as I said, I went there with my own bag. He will stand there and keep looking like they know how to stare. It's so funny. I don't really give an F. We needed bleach, so I got this foot cream. This is really, really good. I love the consistency of this foot cream. It's super, super amazing. I bought washing up liquid because this is the type my man uses. Yeah, I'm with him right now, so I'm going to use what he likes to use. So I got this 2 washing up liquid, 2 Colgates. My man introduced me to this roll-on because I like roll-ons that does not contain aluminium, and this does not contain aluminium. This is really, really amazing. So I got 2 of them. Those are the things I got. I am going to drive off now. I got back like a few minutes ago, and as soon as I got in, I was just dropping the things I got from the supermarket, and my man came in and said, "You got a package," and I knew it was from Sephora straight away. They said it was going to be delivered on Monday, and they did. So let's open it. They always wrap their stuff with this. I love it. Let's get into what I got. In my last vlog, I said I was going to get the blemish control body wash and lotion, lip balm from Bioma, and Summer Fridays lip balm as well. 2 of the blemish body control lotion and the blemish body control shower gel body wash. I have one of these already and this is finished. As I said in my previous video, if you are using this as someone that has my skin type, you need to use other moisturizers. This will leave your body ashy if you don't use another moisturizer, but I love what this does on the skin and what it provides. That's why I always use it. This Lip Tide lip oil from Bioma. I love this so much. This is so good. I don't think I will ever stop using this. Brown Sugar lip butter from Summer Fridays. Brown Sugar is my favorite. The one I'm using at the moment is Vanilla Beige. I love this so much. That is my quick unboxing. Hi, how are you? Today is Tuesday, the 20th of January. Yes. As someone that is gay from Nigeria, that is Igbo, that grew up gay, went through a lot of struggles with the way people spoke around me and things that were said around me, and how life hasn't been really kind to me. Just kind of like realized how life has been shit to me, like literally how people have treated me, and how certain people who are supposed to love me unconditionally, or certain people that are related to me, and some people who are supposed to care, don't really care, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to make this simplified for you to get what I'm trying to say, but I'm trying to explain that if you are a gay person, if you are a queer person, especially if you are a queer person of African descent, or you are from Africa as a queer man, as a queer woman, either way, you're going to experience this directly and indirectly. And what I have realized is that I'm not a bad person. I am extremely kind, extremely compassionate, extremely empathetic. I show up for people despite the fact that the world has been so horrible. I was thinking about this and I'm like, genetically, I am not built to be mean to people, because my goodness, some of the experiences, some of the ups and downs, some of the things that are so extremely crazy that has happened to me over time. And I'm still so nice to people, so kind. I don't know if I should take this as a plus or if I should feel angry about this actually. I don't know. I have been a little bit frustrated in the way I spoke about things, in the way I expected things to happen towards me, and the people that I no longer have in my life that have gone above and beyond for, and they've turned back to be mean to me. Of course, I am raised and I am of the belief that you should do something for people without expecting anything in return. I will never do that. I don't do that. If I'm doing something for anybody, I always do it because I like you, because I want the best for you. Even if I don't like you, even if you are mean to me, I still expect for things to work for you, because you are not going to block my blessings. What you have is not mine, and what is mine shall always be mine and will always be mine. You're not going to take that away from me. So I am of the opinion that your blessings is your blessings. It's going to come to you no matter what. So I'm not going to be in the way of that, because what is yours is not mine. The older I get and the more mean experiences I receive as an African gay Igbo man, it is crazy. I was thinking that when I woke up early this morning, and I was thinking that in my head, and I kept saying to myself, my goodness, why am I saying this? I am saying this based on the things that has been said to me privately and publicly on how people think that because of you are a gay man, nothing good should ever happen to you. Words mean a lot. Words have power. This is why I am extremely careful on how I speak to extremely young people that are in my life. I am really careful the things I say. I make sure that I uplift. I make sure that I give support. I make sure that I say the things that are positive. I make sure that I do all the right things, especially if they are really young and they are at their developmental stages and things like this. Words mean a lot. I will never ever be that adult who will say things that are extremely mean to someone that is trying to find their way in life. I have been around people where their parents said horrible things to them, and I'll be like, my goodness, you're not supposed to be a parent. You're not supposed to be a father. You're not supposed to be a mother. And I know people in my life who have experienced horrible things from their relatives, me included. Luckily for me, this did not come from my mother, from my father. Hello, good morning. What's today? Is today Wednesday? I think today is Wednesday. Some Nigerians, they try to pretend that they are in supportive of gay people. And when something happens, the way they will speak, they will just speak crazy. Some of the passive aggression I get from some people when they speak to me. There is a woman that came on my TikTok live a few days ago. She follows me. She claims that she supports. And she was saying something about a man sleeps with me. That's why my life is good. I don't know what some of you think, but people like this are not better than you. I don't know why some of you are so stupid, why you are so sexually repressed and repressed in life generally, that you will come to a platform and speak crazy unnecessarily. It does not make any sense whatsoever. You do not have to watch my content. You do not have to like me. If you claim that you like someone that is gay, can you just be respectful at least? Some of you are just higgy and haga. You are miserable. I swear. You just say things that are extremely stupid. Why is that? It does not make any sense whatsoever. The number of people who think that gay people need approval from them, permission and things like this, someone like me makes them really angry, because I live my life and I'm not ashamed of it. I am not crying. I am not making myself small. I am grabbing who I am with my full chest, and I'm standing 10 toes on it, and it makes a lot of them mad. I am not your problem. We gay people are not your problem. What you are not going to do is disrespect queer people and think that it's okay. I convinced my baby to take me to this camera store so I can check some of the cameras that I think I like. I just wanted to see, just to check and have a feel and see what I think. When we finish there, we'll just drive to the store. I'm going to a Korean beauty store to get the 3 skincare products that I want, that are finished, that I need. I saw this particular advert that came on my, not advert, it's a YouTube video actually. He was reviewing this particular phone. It's from Virtue, and the phone is $5,000. Everything he was talking about, and I'm like, this phone, he said it as well, this phone is not worth $5,000. I do not care. There's no phone I'm going to pay that amount for. And you go on their website, they have mobile phones that are a lot more expensive than this.
It's not about the phone, it's about showing off your wealth. That's what it is about. It's not whether the phone is good or bad. It's showing off that you can afford a phone like that. That's why you have a phone like that, not because it's better.
You see, my mom was just saying that it's not because of the phone it's better, it's because of to show off. And it's true, because it doesn't make any sense. I don't know if any of you remember when they did this particular thing, when iPhone 3, the first iPhone came out. I can't remember, I think it was Harrods or one of these shops were selling the ones that was gold crusted and things like this. And I'm like, it doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense whatsoever. At the end of the day, whether the phone is £500, $300, $100, £1,000, 2,000 euros, £10,000, it is still a phone. I don't understand. Being on social media, being on TikTok, and the level of weirdness I come across is so freaking crazy. And one thing I have realized is that there's a lot of people who speak to me as a gay man who is from Nigeria, as a gay Igbo man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. As I have told some of you that everybody in my freaking village knows I'm a homosexual. I am not hiding from anybody. I am not pretending. I am proud of who I am, and I'm not promoting homosexuality. But what I've realized is that some people come to speak to me, some Nigerians and some people from Africa, all they want to do is prove me wrong, prove that being gay is wrong. They claim that they want to learn, they claim that they want to understand, and from the things I have seen and how some of these people speak to me, a lot of them are suffering from being repressed, and there's a massive problem that you need to deal with and do something about. I was free this morning and I went on TikTok live around say 10-11 this morning, and I had some people that was on there, and one of the guys who normally join me on the live stream explained the experiences he's had with people who pretend and act like they don't like gay people, and they are trying to literally sleep with him. They want to be in his pants. It's crazy how some of you roll. It does not make any sense why a lot of these people think that homosexuality is horrible. My podcast episode comes out every Tuesday. Go and listen to the podcast. Read my blog posts on Substack. Go to my website at myownkindof runway.com. You can read things, you can check things out, and maybe help yourself, because we LGBTQIA plus individuals are not your problem. We just came out of the camera store. The guy gave me amazing advice. He gave me such a great advice because I was looking at getting Fuji X 100 546 is called, and then I was thinking of ZEV1 when I have the money. This is someone that takes their time to explain to customers. He is such a nice guy. I will go on the internet and Google about it, read about the cameras, and then decide.
Really impressed.
We are back. I don't know why my lips feels dry. Why is my lips dry? Let me check. I swear my lips feels dry. Feels absolutely dry. We just came back. I am so tired. Let's get into what I got. I love me some skincare. If you don't know, now you know. I love skincare. It makes me feel good, amazing. I got this vitamin C serum from Misha. This is absolutely good. I freaking adore this. I like the texture, the way it smells, everything about this. Miracle True Cica Clear Pad from Some By Me. The one I have is literally the last shit. I needed to get this today, and I'm so happy that I did. Beta Panthenol Repair Cream. This is a new product I started using. I'm using the sample at the moment and I like it, so I decided to buy this vitamin C serum because my vitamin C serum is finished. So I got this vitamin C from Purito. Absolutely adore this. Pure vitamin C, she gave me this. So I'm going to try this sample. We love a sample here. Absolutely we do. Okay. There's a few other samples as well that she gave me. Soothing Gel Cream samples. What brand is this? It's from Maison. I've used foot cream from Maison, so I'm going to try this to see what I think. Watermelon Moisture Sun Cream. Don't know how to pronounce it. I do apologize. I will check and see what this is. Moisture and Vitality Mask Sheets from It's Skin. Those are the things we got from Korean skincare. Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. It is Thursday. Yeah, what's this day? Anyway, we don't care. It is Thursday, so I want to run some errands. I have a few things to do today, but I'm just going to use this opportunity as well to go to one of the pharmacies or supermarkets to get body lotion that I didn't get from Vileda and get some roll-ons as well. I didn't even know why I didn't do this the other day when I was shopping. Sorry about the sound in the car. I really do apologize. It is noisy. I just wanted to say something before I go, and it just feels like I'm ranting every day. So I was checking my TikTok account. So I shared a clip of my podcast on there on the story, and it's where I said something like that gay people, queer people, we have always been here. And this particular individual replied by saying, you are abroad, which means that I'm outside of Nigeria, and I'm saying we've been here before. I'm confused. What I'm saying, what I mean is that gay people, queer people, trans people, gender non-conforming individuals, LGBTQIA plus individuals, we have always been in this world before you and I were born. There were gay people before me, there were queer people before me, and there's going to be queer people after me. What is not making sense? But what I've realized is that some of these good for nothing people who are crusty and dusty always find a way for me to respond to them, and I didn't respond. Anyway, let's go. We finished shopping. Oh my goodness. I had the worst of stares. I was with my camera, my vlog camera. I was going into the shop and this man saw me. As soon as he saw me, like, I know I look good. I know nobody needs to tell me anything. Like, I always look good, whether I am dressed or not. My things bring the men back to the yard. But this was weird. I've had experiences like this before. This was like almost a year ago where I was waiting for my man somewhere and then I was on TikTok live at the same time. But boy, did I look good that day. This man was like, was blowing me kisses and I was going to the corner and wanting to speak to me. And I'm like, absolutely not. Are you okay? This one is an old man. He was staring. Why do you stare at people and you don't even blink? You don't even pretend like you're not staring. I'm a human being. I know I have a different shade of skin. But what the hell? This is so bizarre. Anyway, I got everything that I wanted. I will show you. I got my cantuccini because I could not wait till tomorrow because I may go there tomorrow and the cantuccini will not be there tomorrow because we'll get our weekly snacks tomorrow or we may not. So I got 3 of the cantuccini. This is the 3 of them. I love this so much. My man would be like, what the hell? From Vileda. I love this so much. And then I ended up buying 2 of this again because I normally get 2 for my man and 2 for myself. And I forgot to get 4 the other day when I was getting the essentials that I needed and like the washing up liquid and like the bleach and things like this. I got 2 more. So this 2 is for him because I have the other 2 at home. I'm going to take off this jacket. I have literally about less than 27 minutes to stay in this car park, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go home. Someone saw me here and they said, oh, I know you. Of all places, I know people stopping me on the streets of Manchester. In Manchester Andale, people stop me and speak to me and say, hi, I know you from TikTok. I know you from here, from there. I never expected anyone to see me here where my man is and things like this to say hi. I was so surprised. That was really nice. And why is it that majority of the times people who stop me, who talk to me are the women? I know when the men see me and they know me. I can tell it from their reaction and they just act weird. We have been back for a while, but I went on TikTok live because I just said I was going to do some live stream and things like this. As I was doing my TikTok live, I just said, okay, I will just like kind of like share some of the skincare that I have finished using recently. I finished this Mela B Gel Micro Peeling from La Roche-Posay. This is really good. I absolutely adore this. Good on the skin, just amazing. Another thing that I finished recently is this Vileda Vitality Shower Gel. This is really good. I decided not to buy this for now because I still have the one from Bioma. I have 2 from Bioma that I'm using at the moment. I forgot to buy it today actually. This Blemish Control Body Lotion I finished recently. I absolutely love this. As I said in the previous vlog, when you are using this for someone that is of this skin tone, done or your skin is dry, you need to use oil or other creams that is a lot more moisturizing, because if you use only this, your body will be ashy. This is based on my personal experience. This roll-on that my man introduced me to, there's different types of this. This is really good. It doesn't contain aluminium. This is a Korean beauty brand. This is a brand called Maison. This is foot and hand cream. I normally use this as a foot cream. It contains hyaluronic acid, AHBHA, PHA 30 days, Miracle True Cycle Clear Pad from Sun by Me. This will keep your skin clear. Absolutely great. I love this so much. Good morning. It is Friday the 23rd of January. I am good. I hope you are. My friend Ola is coming to see us, so we are on our way to go and pick him up at the airport. I was just talking to my man. I had an experience that this is something that has happened so many times. Like when you have something and you meet some Nigerians like this and they'll be like, can I have it? One time I went to this particular event in Manchester and I had this really cool flat cap. This guy that I know him, he was like, I really like the hat, give it to me. And I'm like, why should I give you my hat? This is the same thing that happens on social media as well. On TikTok, sometimes on my comments, I get insults, I get people telling me that I'm going to go to hell, and I get people who will say to me, oh, I like your bags, give me your bag, give me your clothes, give me this. I don't know what it is. Another thing as well is some of these Nigerians, their audacity is weird to me. Why are you saying to somebody to give you something that they bought for themselves that they want to use? I don't understand. So does it mean that it's not good enough for me that went and spent my hard-earned money for those things, and you want me to give it to you? Of course, people give things to people. Like if I want to give something to someone, I would give it to you without you asking if I feel like I want to give it to you. But you saying to me something that I'm enjoying, that I love, that I should give it to you. Wild behavior. I don't understand. What time is it? 9 minutes past 9 in the morning. I don't know why I am so hungry like this. I'm normally not this hungry early in the mornings, but here we are. Ola, wait, let me vlog. Should we watch the car?
Yeah.
We've picked Ola up and my baby said we should watch the car.
Ola, if you don't mind.
Do you think there'll be fine men here? Usually there are fine men in car watches. Oh,
Which fine men? Ola, you can talk about men here. It's a gay vlog, don't worry. Unless you don't want your family to know about,
Oh, please.
So we want to watch the car quickly. We picked up Ola. Ola is talking about where he's going to find beautiful men. Ola, I swear I will come to that back and jump on you.
Come and take most people to this video.
We have finished washing the car. We are going back. Ola, shut up.
See what I have to
My friend Ola is just talking and talking. Ola, you can talk, don't mind me.
I never understood that.